Hi, I'm Patrick Barone of the Barone Defense Firm, and I want to talk to you about Michigan's new super drunk law. Now, it's important for you to understand that the super drunk law basically doubles the penalties for a traditional drunk driving. So let's look at what factors go into the decision as to whether or not you're a super drunk. The first one is no prior offenses in the prior 7 years. If you have a prior drunk driving offense in the prior 7 years, you're looking at an enhanced case, which is a lot worse even than a super drunk. So if you have no priors within 7 years, and number two, you have a blood or breath test above a .17 or above, you're looking at super drunk. And the penalties are a lot worse. So, what's the difference? With a traditional drunk driving, that is, no priors within 7, breath or blood test below .17, you're looking at up to 93 days in jail. That's the maximum punishment. With a super drunk, you're looking up to 180 days in jail. Roughly double, up to 180 days in jail with a super drunk. In addition to that, you're looking at, with a traditional drunk driving, it's 30 days no driving, followed by 150 days of restricted driving privileges. And those restricted privileges are automatic. Okay? With a super drunk, you're looking at 45 days of no driving. No driving at all for 45 days, followed by 320 days of restricted driving privileges. But unlike a traditional drunk driving, with a super drunk driving, you have to have an ignition interlock device on your car for that entire 320-day period, and that's expensive. In addition to the punishment, the jail time, and the driver's license sanction, the fines and costs are also greater. The fines and costs for a traditional drunk driving, it's $100 to $500. With a super drunk, it's $200 to $700. So you're looking at more expenses there. On top of everything else, with a super drunk driving, you're looking at a requirement for a minimum 1 year period of alcohol treatment.